Hey there, welcome to Brightest Life.
Here we celebrate the heart and flavor of Filipino nutrition. Whether you're a beginner or a health professional, we've got you covered. 5 breakfast menu recipes that boost energy.
Start your day strong with the fuel your body needs.
Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's your morning power-up. In this video, we'll share 5 delicious and energizing breakfast menu recipes that are packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein to keep you focused, full of life all day long. Let's dive in and energize your morning. 1. Oatmeal with banana and chia seeds. This combo is a fiber-rich powerhouse. Rolled oats give you slow-releasing carbs, while bananas offer natural sugars and potassium for muscle function. Add chia seeds for omega-3s and protein. Just cook oats in almond milk, top with banana slices, and sprinkle with chia. It's comforting, filling, and naturally energizing, perfect for busy mornings. 2. Avocado and egg on whole grain toast. Creamy avocado delivers healthy fats and B vitamins, while eggs add protein and amino acids for brain power. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, smash half an avocado on it, and top with a poached or sunny side-up egg. A dash of salt and chili flakes gives it a satisfying kick. This combo fuels both body and mind. 3. Greek yogurt with berries and honey, packed with protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. This breakfast is gut-friendly and brain-boosting. Grab a bowl of Greek yogurt. Top it with a mix of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and drizzle a spoon of honey. It's a refreshing, cool treat that supports digestion and keeps energy stable until lunch. 4. Breakfast wrap with eggs, spinach, and tomatoes.
Wrap your energy in a tortilla.
Scramble eggs with spinach and chopped tomatoes, then wrap it in a whole wheat tortilla. You'll get iron, vitamins, and protein in every bite. This handheld breakfast is perfect for on-the-go mornings and helps keep your energy levels steady. 5. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Blend 1 banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a scoop of oats, and almond milk. This smoothie is rich in potassium, protein, and healthy fats. It's creamy, energizing, and can be made in minutes. Drink it post-workout or before a busy day. It's like breakfast in a cup with long-lasting fuel. Starting your morning with the right breakfast can change your whole day. These 5 recipes are simple, delicious, and filled with energy-boosting nutrients your body will thank you for. Try one tomorrow and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy food tips. And fuel your life the bright way. We upload every week, so there's always something new for you to try. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and cook along with us. This is Brightest Life, bringing Filipino flavor to your screen every week.